take a look at this problem. We want to simplify. We got the cube root of 16x to the ninth, y to the fifth. So we got the cube root of 16 x to the ninth, y to the fifth. First off, we'll start off doing it the long way. Now I'll talk about shortcut. Although a shortcut doesn't save you much in this, might even be a little bit more work. Prime factorization of 16. 16 is 2 times 8. 2's prime size circlet. 8 is 2 times 4. 2's prime size circlet. 4 is 2 times 2. And both those are prime size circlet. And guess if we come down here, which means we got 4 2's for the prime factorization of 16. Now x to the ninth, that means we got 9 x's. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5 y's means we got 5 y's. Let me add those. 3, 6, 9. Okay. Now our index is 3. Index is whatever number's in the slot right here, and that tells us how many sets we're looking for. Or specifically, it says we're looking for a set of 3 of something. Well, here's 3 2's. That's going to come out as a single 2. Here's 3 x's. That's going to come out as a single x. Here's 3 x's. That's going to come out as a single x. And here's 3 x's. That'll also come out as a single x. And here's 3 y's. That'll come out as a single y. So let's see. The set of 3 2's comes out as a single 2. This set of 3 x's comes out as a single x. This set of 3 x's comes out as a single x. And this set of x's comes out as a single x. And this set of 3 y's comes out as a single y. Let's see what's left inside. We're left with a 2. There's no x's left, but there's 2 y's. So I got y and y. Now notice when these came out, they came out with multiplication in between them. So we've got 3 x's, so we've got 2x to the third y, cube root of 2y squared. And that's our answer. Well, let's talk about the shortcut now. Got cube root of 16x to the ninth, y to the fifth, and I'll do the prime factorization. So I got 4 2's, and then x to the ninth, y to the fifth. Now I could get by with it here because I had x to the ninth. What if this was x to the 90th? I wouldn't want to write out 90 x's. That would take me forever. So there's a shortcut for it. So for our x's, what we do is we take our power, which is 9, divide by our index, which is 3. So this is our power, and this is our index. Now when I say power, see how it's x to the ninth power? So that's where the 9 came from. And the index, again, is this number in a slot. And this is old style division. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 with remainder of 0. Now this first number, this 3, that's going to tell us how many are going to come out. And this 0 tells us how many are going to stay in. Now we want to do the same thing with the y's. So we're going to take our power, which is 5, divide by our index, which is 3. And this is old style division. So it's 1 with a remainder of 2. So this tells us how many comes out, and this tells us how many stay in. Well, index is 3, so here's 3 2's, so that's going to come out as a single 2. And we said we're going to have 3 x's come out. So we're going to have x to the third, and we said we're going to have 1 y come out. So we'll have a y. And then cube root, we're left with this 2 inside. No x's were left in, and 2 y's were left in. So we'll have y squared. And that gives us our same answer.